In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change inventory items in Xero quickly and efficiently. This guide is designed to help you navigate the essentials of updating product information and managing your inventory with ease. So let's get started. After logging into Xero, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll want to click on Business. This section is your gateway to most of the business tools available within Xero. Once you're in, choose the option titled Products and Services. This is where your inventory management takes place, offering you control over your product details and stock. In this section, you have the flexibility to either import new items or create fresh entries manually. If you're dealing with a bulk update, the Import button will be your best friend. It allows you to seamlessly upload multiple items from a file, saving you time and effort. However, if you're just adding a single product, you'll want to click on the New Item button. Once you're in the Creation window, this is where you'll fill in the details for your new item. Input the necessary information such as the name, a detailed description, and pricing. It's important to be as detailed as possible to ensure accurate record keeping and inventory tracking. After entering all the relevant information for your new item, remember to click Save. This action is crucial as it captures and secures your newly added item in the inventory list, making sure it doesn't get lost in the digital ether. Now, if you're looking to update existing items, the process is just as straightforward. Begin by selecting the item you wish to modify. Simply click on it, and you'll notice an Edit Item option appearing. Click on it, and this will give you the opportunity to modify any necessary fields, whether it's the product name, pricing, or description that needs updating. Again, after making your changes, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures all updates are logged and stored in the system. There might be times when certain items are no longer relevant, or you're simply tidying up your inventory. In such cases, Xero offers the option to either archive or delete them. You can select the item or multiple items and choose to archive, which effectively tucks away items you might want to access later, or delete, which permanently removes them from your inventory. Navigating and updating your inventory in Xero needn't be a daunting task. By following these straightforward steps, you'll maintain a well-organized and up-to-date inventory system within your business toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering your Xero inventory management. Make sure to give this method a try and keep your inventory as precise and efficient as possible. See you in the next video.